morning out here with Tyler. Got some really small water today. Probably just a duck shoot. And got about 1.5 dozen decoys, mallards, widgeon pintail. And we got snow. So hopefully that'll bring them in. Got about 4 inches supposed to snow throughout the morning still. We'll see what happens. But snow and duck hunting, it's probably my favorite conditions to hunt in. Yeah, a little dead to start off with. There's a couple hens talking down here. I've seen about 2 flocks fly over, but with this storm rolling through, they might have been out late feeding or still feeding and come back. Hopefully that's the case. Tyler. Just one hen.
I thought there were 2.
Sound like the other one might have been.
Maybe not.
Yeah, we did.
Darn it.
Hey, we're on the board though. He's right back here.
Were you aiming at that one first time too?
Yeah,
Oh,
I just stayed on the same bird.
So was
He was like there was like maybe two other drakes in there.
Well, they came nice. I wish they would have kind of centered up a little better.
Yeah, and with the lack of what we've seen so far this morning.
That's a big mallard.
It's a fat nice old curls on him. All right, you want me to claim him? I think I.
Sure.
Really...
I think we both. He got shot 4 times. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, he's got a good fat layer on him, I'm betting. Nice old greenhead. Knocking the snow off so they look a little better. All right, stick out, a little more contrast here, and a little more snow and wind kicking up. So hopefully get a few more birds. But we got a few in here. We're just hunting this little bend, hiding in the cattails. And got a few over here too. Those are jakes right here. A couple other ones. There he is. It's just right on the hill. That's up there. Watching. Jakes don't really care about us. And we just had a duck dump in back here. Tyler's gonna go get him, hopefully. He just, I didn't even see him, he just came and just dumped right in there. Didn't even give us a look, but hopefully Tyler can jump him. Oh. I think he got him. Yep. I'm betting he's banded too. Oh, there's a couple ducks. Shoot. Well, he got one down at least. Maybe two. Probably both banded. That's alright. Got a few ducks kind of working the area. They didn't work right into us, but we'll take it. You got two of them.
Yeah.
Banded?
Wish.
That's what I thought was gonna happen. Wow, those are big old mallards. Look at those guys.
Yeah, there was a pair, a hen and a drake.
I saw the hen get out.
They were back against the bank back there.
Huh.
So I shot the front one. He was just past that downed tree down there. And I mean, they got up like right in line with the one I shot here on the closest channel.
Oh, perfect. Yes. Holy cow. Those things are giant. They got a good fat layer on them. Both nice old drakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll get a few more in here yet. And we are calling that a day. Ended with 3 greenheads on the day. Tyler got 2, I got 1, and that was about it. We had that one group of 5 or 6 work in, and Tyler and I each picked out the same drake and shot him. So that's how that goes. But you know, we thought it was gonna be an awesome day with the snow and the wind and this nice little heated body of water we were hunting, and just did not work out that way. The ducks, for whatever reason, really didn't show up today. But you know, maybe tomorrow would be a lot better day here. Hard to say. Still a fun day. We got greenheads and we were hunting in snow. You can't beat days like that. But we'll get back after it. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to support those conservation organizations, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.